I just seen him poke his head out in the shade.
Oh, really?
Under that, under, right there, at the edge of that one, in that dark area. I just seen him poke his head out.
Yeah, Astra and I are watching. We just saw one of our little chipmunk buddies poked his head out from underneath one of those blocks. Oh, see the lizard?
Yeah, look at the lizard.
See him running across the street?
Right here.
Probably didn't see that on camera, but there was a little tiny lizard just hauling ass across the road there. That was cool. Astra and I have a pretty good crosswind here, so we've been playing around with our landings and crosswind landings and stuff. Yeah, I'm just flying by this time. Man, that just threw me right down right there. I saw you getting out of the way. I didn't see it.
Oh, it floated like about a quarter of an inch off the ground, so half an inch. It floated.
Really?
Smooth, like there was no breeze at all.
Yeah, wind, man, it'll lift a wing up and just lift it up and almost tip you over. Especially right there, just where the blocks meet the fence over here on the right. Right in there where you just took off. It's like, man, it was really turbulent right there. I scratched my nose there.
I got a minute left on the battery.
that wind just wiggling that thing around, man, just cracks me up. Yeah, there's a good breeze right there now. Just picked up. Okay, one more final landing. Yeah, do one more. I didn't like that one. Okay, here we go. Bring around into the wind.
Aren't you about out of battery?
Just about.
Oh, no, no. Don't turn that off.
What? What?
Stay there. Don't turn that off.
I'm not.
Yeah. See, to all of our friends on YouTube that watch our videos every week and see how many times Don tries to hit me with the airplane, but let me show you my secret. Bring the camera a little closer.
Oh no.
All right, see, I have this condition where I have two floating eyes, meaning my eyes go each way. Okay, watch this eye. See that? Now look at this eye over here. See, that way I can watch Don with this eye, and if he's up over here, it can be like this. I can watch him over here while I'm watching my plane here. And then that way it keeps me safe from Don hitting me.
Crazy. Well, thanks for watching, guys. One-eye Astra there. My bitchy boyfriend.